Here's how to install our OCAM Electric Side Steps for the 200 series Landcruiser. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. The body brackets are arranged like this. The bracket with the open cutout is for the front. The bracket with the 4 holes is for the middle. Note that the middle bracket has offset holes to accommodate vehicles with KDSS. And the bracket with 2 holes is for the rear. Note that the bracket with the motor should be installed in the middle with the arm facing outwards. Use these bolts and washers for each of the side step arms. Note that we've included some spacer washers in case you need to lower the side steps away from the body. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 6 bolts holding in each of the factory side steps and remove from the vehicle. It's easier to install the side step brackets when the entire assembly is disassembled. Install the body brackets onto the vehicle in their respective positions using the new hardware. Make sure to use spring and flat washers. Once each bracket is installed, tighten the body brackets using a 13mm socket, but leave the arm bracket bolts loose as you may need to adjust them when installing the side steps. Repeat this process for the remaining brackets. With the wiring, connect the positive terminal lead to the battery, then route the power wire through this grommet along the firewall near the fuel filter. Remove the door seal panel by pulling upwards, then remove the kick panel by popping it out and removing the pop clip in the corner. This is where the grommet ends, so fish the power wire through. With the harnesses, there are 2 included in the box depending on the model year of your vehicle. The larger harness is for vehicles manufactured before the 7th month of 2015, and the smaller harness is for vehicles after the 8th month of 2015. Pull up the carpet and remove the circular grommet. Cut a hole to route the power motor wire through, then reinstall the grommet. Route the wires towards each motor and secure the slack using zip ties along existing cable runs and make sure they are free from any moving parts. Seal the holes with silicone sealant. On the driver's side footwell, install the control box here using the supplied hardware. There is a vacant hole next to a spring just above the brake pedal. Use fish tape to pull the wires through behind the dash and connect up to the control box. Turn the car on and remove the 3 Phillips head screws around the steering wheel column. Pop off the plastic trim and run the piggyback harness up from the bottom, then connect to the small white plug in the middle. Cable manage the wires, then reinstall the trim. Attach the side steps by sliding the aluminium blocks into each arm and secure using the 2 4mm Allen bolts per block. Test by opening the doors and see if the motor engages. Once each side step is installed, secure the body brackets using a 13mm socket. If the side steps are sitting too close to the body, use the supplied spacer washers to lower the side step. Test and make sure the side step isn't hitting the body. And there you have it, your OCAM Electric Side Steps are installed.